We'll guide you through how to change border color in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to improve the visual appearance of their images or designs by customizing borders. Changing border colors helps match branding, enhance focus, or create more attractive graphics. Beginners especially look for simple guidance in Photoshop to achieve professional-looking results without confusion or advanced editing skills. To change the border color in Photoshop, start by opening Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Click the Windows Start button, then type Adobe Photoshop into the search bar. When the application appears in the results, click Open to launch it. Once Photoshop is fully open, go to the top menu bar and click File, or simply press Ctrl+O on your keyboard as a shortcut. After that, click Open, and browse your computer to select the image or project file you want to edit, then open it. When your file is displayed, move to the Layers panel, usually located on the right side of the screen, and select the layer that contains the border you want to change. If the border is applied as a layer style, right-click on that layer and choose Blending Options from the menu. This will open the Layer Style window where you can adjust different effects. In this window, look at the list on the left side and click on Stroke, which controls the border settings. Once you select Stroke, find the color option in the Stroke settings area. Click on the color box next to it to open the Color Picker window. In the Color Picker, choose the new color you want for your border by adjusting the sliders or clicking within the color field. Then click OK to confirm your choice. After selecting the color, you can also adjust the size to make the border thicker or thinner, and change the position to control whether the border appears inside, outside, or centered on the edge. Take a moment to refine these settings until the border looks the way you want. When you are satisfied, click OK in the Layer Style window to apply the changes. Finally, save your work by pressing Ctrl+S, or go to File and select Save As if you want to create a new version. Choose your desired file format. Then click Save to complete your project successfully.